AMC is trading on the downtrend today, which it doesn't budge me, okay? It doesn't worry me at all because a lot of other good quality stocks are also in the red, especially, and I mean, even with major earnings beating the expectations, like tremendous beat from the market expectations, but still red. So I wouldn't really consider this as something to worry about. Okay, I want to talk to you guys about the 43 million shares that you see on the internet after the 500 million shares offering was out of the table, out of the picture completely. You know, there was a new filing made by AMC, the company, around 43 million shares that are already part of the outstanding count of the actual shares. And they're going to do that at the market. So I want to deep down on that and update you guys on how, why I think it is really great, on contrary of what you may look or hear on internet, on Google or social media about this offering as well. So it's really different from what we call a direct offering, because this is not a direct offering. This is at a market offering. So we know that AMC still filed sell up 42 million shares, but it is at the market. So the difference here with what you've seen maybe on companies like Nano Dimension or Ocugen, ticker symbol OCGN, they are selling shares at a specific price to specific investors. And that's why people, the market and investors don't like it, because it usually or almost always bring the price down. Why? Because you are adding additional shares to the market. But in the case of AMC, two things that are totally different and totally opposite to what we've saw and what I just explained. First thing, those shares are not new shares. They are shares that are already existing, so they will not dilute the price share because they're already part of the count. Now, the other thing is the program they filed to. They are not selling at a specific price like those direct offering registration. They are selling at the market price, meaning they will sell at whatever price when they issue or when they do sell those shares. See it like you and I holding your shares, and then when the share price jumps, you sell it to whoever will buy it because it will raise capital. Okay. The third thing is, the CEO said they will do that if they have to. So if they have to. Aaron noted the authorization to sell 43 million shares was still active, but he also said we haven't made any decisions yet. So this is not something that is already set in stone. Okay, it's just like a line of credit that see it like a line of credit. Okay, if you need money, then you know that you can go to the bank and then get it and use it. But we already know that they have secure almost, more than 1 billion to sustain the operations of the company throughout 2021, and with a lot more revenues to come in as the lockdowns will get erased and canceled. Guys, I definitely see an upside to this. So not to worry about the 43 million shares, just because it's not the same thing as a direct offering share that you usually see on other companies trying to raise capital to inject in the company. So that being said, you already know what to do. Continue to hold. That's what I'm doing.